Welcome back, everyone. Did anyone see Lake Speed's, the Oil Geeks oil change he did? He showed a special tool that keeps you from getting soaked with oil when you're doing your oil change. Yeah, he still got oil on his hand with that special tool. You really don't need any special tools. Just go pay someone to do it, and you never have to worry about getting oil on you. That's the right thing to do. Anyway, I'm going to show you how we do it here. Get yourself a large enough drain pan. Get yourself a high-speed tool. And I'm going to show you how. Look where my hands are. Completely away. Did you see me get soaked with engine oil or anything? No mess. If you don't have a spill pad in your drain pan, then you risk it splashing all over the place. It's that simple. I've been doing it long enough to say, if you're screwing around with your hands with an oil drain plug, you're risking wearing engine oil. But it was pretty cool that Lake Speed Jr. was doing an oil change on his brand new Toyota for some content, and he had this flexible magnetic thingy-majiggy that he says, someone said use this tool so you don't get covered in oil, and he still got oil on his hands. That's the nature of our beast, the nature of the business for changing oil. And I'm going to show you here. I'm going to do the oil filter. Ready? I'm not covered in oil. Let the oil filter drain down. You got to fast hands. Let the oil filter drip off. You can use the old cup method if you're a little impatient. Remember, at the bottom of the engines, the oil is draining that oil circuit at the same time. So the filter is just really not draining. It's what's up ever above the oil filter in that circuit that's draining off. It's that simple, guys. Come get your oil changed by a pro. And if you don't know, now you do. Thanks for watching.